Welcome to our presentation on livestock breeds by Dr. Dhaval Rao from GNP Sir Classes. Today, we will explore various breeds of cattle and buffaloes found across different regions. Let's start with the cattle breeds found in the northern parts of India. These include Haryana, Kankatha, Kherigad, Mewati, and many more. Moving to the western region, we have breeds like Dangi, Doni, Jelao, Gir, and Kankre among others. In the eastern parts of India, notable breeds include Bachor, Siri, Motu, Lakhimi, and Thatho. Southern India is home to breeds such as Amrit Mahal, Baga, Kagayam, Krishna Valley, and Ongole. Milch breeds are known for their high milk production. Examples include Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, and Doni. Draft breeds are primarily used for labor. These include Nagorai, Bachor, Kenkata, Malvi, and Kherigad. General utility breeds serve multiple purposes. Notable examples are Nimari, Dangi, Haryana, Mewati, and Tharparkar. Exotic breeds like Jersey, Holstein Friesian, Ayrshire, Brown Swiss, and Guernsey are also significant. Dairy or milch breeds are generally ponderous with pendulous dewlaps and lateral curved horns. They yield a significant amount of milk. Sahiwal, originally from Pakistan, is known for its high milk yield, producing between 2,725 and 3,175 kilograms in a lactation period of 300 days. Red Sindhi, from Sindh province, is one of the most distinctive cattle breeds of India, with milk yields as high as 5,440 kilograms in a lactation period of 300 days. Doni, found in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, resembles Gir in size and is a good milker, yielding about 1,135 kilograms in a lactation period of 300 days. Cow breeds can be classified into hump, zebu breeds and exotic breeds, each serving different purposes like milch, draft, dual, and meat. Buffalo breeds vary by region. In Uttar Pradesh, we have Bhadwari, in Gujarat, Jafarabadi and Mehsana, and in Maharashtra, Marathwadi and Nagpuri. In Punjab, notable breeds are Nilli Ravi and Godi. Haryana is known for Murrah, and Tamil Nadu for Toda and Baga. Orissa has breeds like Chilika and Kalahandi. Karnataka is known for Dharwadi, and Assam for Luit and Chhattisgarhi. The Murrah group includes the Murrah and Nilli Ravi breeds, known for their high milk production. The Gujarat group consists of Surti, Jafarabadi, and Mehsana breeds, each with unique characteristics. The Uttar Pradesh group is represented by the Bhadwari breed, known for its resilience and productivity. In central India, we have the Nagpuri and Pandharpuri buffalo breeds, known for their resilience and productivity. Northern India is home to a variety of sheep breeds including Bhakarwal, Changthangi, and Chokla, each adapted to the region's unique climate. In western India, the Patanwadi and Panchali sheep breeds are prominent, thriving in the local conditions. Eastern India features breeds like Balangir and Bonpla, which are well suited to the area's environment. Southern India boasts a diverse range of sheep breeds such as Chevadu and Kachakati Black, each with unique characteristics. Crossbred sheep are categorized by their utility, exotic breed influence, and Indian breed heritage, offering a variety of wool and meat products. Sheep breeds are classified according to their functions, including garment production, carpet wool, and meat. Northern India is rich in goat breeds like Beetal and Chegu, which are integral to the region's agriculture. Western India is known for goat breeds such as Kami and Berari, which are well adapted to the local environment. Eastern India features goat breeds like Black Bengal and Ganjam, known for their hardiness and productivity. Southern India is home to goat breeds such as Nandi Durga and Bidri, each with unique traits suited to the region. Goat breeds are classified based on their primary functions, including milk production, meat, and fine hair or fleece. This infographic provides a comprehensive overview of various goat breeds and the different cuts of goat meat, highlighting their uses and benefits.